What has he done to you?
What's going on here?
My mother, you can see your daughter.
I don't know.
My friend, go bring him here. What nonsense, sir? I'm out of here. Go and get in your car. Walk up here.
Another story. God forbid.